What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, and we are here to basically just talk about Shiba Inu and Shibarium and how many projects already have announced support for Shibarium. Now, why this is important, because we can kind of use this to gauge the success of Shibarium, use this to gauge how many projects will be on there. And, we haven't received official word on how many Shiba Inu will be burned per transaction, but we can kind of, put the rest of the equation together, hopefully, with this information. So let's check this article out real quick. Shout out to Watcher Guru. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you subscribe. If you haven't already, hit that like button as well. We cover Shiba Inu content every single day. Also other important crypto information as well, and just things that'll help us financially. So Shiba Inu's layer 2 solution, Shibarium, remains to be the talk in the town in the cryptocurrency sphere. The calls for a public beta launch are growing louder since January, making its governing token Bone climb above the $2 mark. In February 2023 alone, 2 different cryptocurrency and blockchain firms came forward announcing their support for Shibarium L2 network. The development suggests that a handful of projects could board the network upon its final launch. Here's how many projects announced their support for Shibarium even before the beta testnet is out. More platforms are considering working with Shibarium in some capacity or lending support to the L2 network. Now, you got to know that we will definitely be covering some of these projects that will be building on top of Shibarium, because it's all a part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And in order for Shiba Inu to have more success, we need the ecosystem to also have success. When it comes to Shibarium, we need to burn as much Shiba Inu as possible. And if these projects are going to be helping us do that, then we want to cover them as well. And think about it, some of these projects may be some very, very early gems. I know y'all possibly heard of the Paw token. This is one that's starting to pick up, gain a lot of support from different members. First, it seems like it has some opposition, but now it's looking as if the community may be accepting it into the Shiba Inu or Shibarium ecosystem, I should say. So Shiba Inu projects that announce support for Shibarium, now nodes. Leading blockchain and infrastructure service provider Now Nodes announced on Tuesday that it will provide support for Shibarium. Now Nodes will be among the first node providers for the upcoming Shiba Inu Shibarium network. The node service provider confirmed that their engineers are currently preparing for a Shibarium release and will provide dedicated access to the network. As Shibarium is coming sometime later this year, our engineers are preparing for a Shibarium net release. Now Nodes will provide shared and dedicated access to Shibarium blockchain, the tweet says. So here's that tweet right here. Also, we got CoinRabbit. Cryptocurrency lending platform CoinRabbit announced on Wednesday that it would lend support to the Shibarium network when launched. CoinRabbit also discovered that it plans to list Bone, the governance token of Shibarium, on its platform. The platform has over 130 different cryptocurrencies and provides lending options for its users. They say in quotations, "Our team is waiting for the Shibarium net launch, just like the whole SHIB army. We're going to support Shibarium at CoinRabbit. Just tell us when." So this is a really good sign that some major companies, are already preparing themselves. That's why I want y'all to prepare yourselves as well. Just know this is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before going into any of these projects, but you really want to connect the dots and see, Now Nodes is probably the largest blockchain service provider when it comes to keeping up with this type of data. So that's a really good sign right there. And also that lets us know that other big companies may be interested following suit immediately after. So here's a tweet from Rabbit. In addition, projects such as Falcon 9, UFO Gaming, Moonbet, and Voxel VXL announced that they will build their projects on the Shibarium network when launched. You can read more about this here. So let's take a quick look. Shiba Inu Satoshi announces projects that will run on Shibarium. So did he actually... Did they actually include projects? Okay, they got a few projects here that we see. So we get from Satoshi saying Satoshi confirmed that 4 different projects might launch on the Shibarium network when the L2 solution is established. The cryptocurrency projects could run on Shiba Inu Shibarium networks are the Falcon 9, UFO Gaming, Moonbet, Voxel X. So these may be a few projects that you may want to check into. Remember, this is not financial advice, not telling you to buy, not telling you to do anything, but check them out, especially if you're a speculator, a trader, somebody who likes to make, buy low, sell high, make short-term gains. These may be some projects you really want to take a look at. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now. We are up. Actually, we're down 3% right now, sitting at that 1265 level. Nothing I'm too worried about at all. We're up significantly over the last 3 months. We were hovering around that 9 level. It took us a while to get out of there. So, it slowly breaks out over a period of time. It needs time to, go on that run, and it also needs time to take a breather. So Shiba Inu down 3%. Let's take a look at Bone. Bone down 6%, back at $1.82. So we seen it get over that. Once it hit that $2 mark, people $2.50, people started to take some profits right there, which is expected. You know, if you're a long-term investor, you just use these opportunities to load up more on the dip, or you just continue to hold. Let's also take a look at leash for the trifecta. We got leash right now down 2% at $677. Overall crypto market cap at 1.06 trillion. So it has pulled back 2.7% in the last 24 hours. We got Bitcoin back under 24,000, Ethereum back under 1,600, BNB flirting with that under 300 level. Doge at 8 cents right now, down 4%. So we see the market basically red. Market is bleeding right now. When this happens, you don't want to panic. You don't want to panic. This is normal. A lot of people sell off right here. A lot of people take some profits. A lot of people close positions. But you just want to understand this is all a part of the cycle. We have green days and we have red days. If you're looking at any assets that you're tempted to buy, you may want to do that on the red days. I like to look for personally 10% discounts or more, 10 to that 15% discount level. And, you know, that's my number. Your number may be a little early, a little sooner, maybe 5, 6, 10%. If it's, 7% on Polkadot right now, if that's something that you are actively, trying to increase your bag size in. But that's all we got for this video. If you're interested in investing in your financial education, you want to take things to the next level, I got 3 courses available for y'all. My stock options trading course, crypto one-on-one course, and my technical analysis course. If you're interested, email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Follow me on all platforms at DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.